Have you ever wanted to create your own website? Well, you're on the right video, my friends. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own website using Visual Studio Code. I'm going to give the link to this website in the description. So, when you are on this page, then you would have to click this button. If you're on Windows, you have to click this button. If you're on Mac, you have to click this button. If you're on Linux, you can choose these. For now, I'm on Windows, so I'm going to choose this. When you click on this, Visual Studio will download. So once you have it through the setup, you can go and install it and launch it. For me, I've already installed and launched it. So first of all, you're going to go over here, and then you are going to create a file. For this, we'll go over here. Let's go to desktops, and then we'll create a new file. We'll make this a folder. Let's name this folder VS Code, no, HTML tutorial, and then we click over here and make a new file. Let's change this file format to code.html. Yes, now it has become a HTML file. And then you have to go open it with okay, click on this and click just the authors. Click on this code.html, and now here comes the fun part. And here we are going to code our script. So first you're going to press shift plus exclamatory mark, or you can just do shift plus 1 because it's actually typing exclamatory mark. Just type shift plus 1, and then you will get this. Click over here. This is the basic HTML type. You are going to name this tutorial. So this is the heading, and we also have to install a preview for this. So first we are going to go extensions, and then our we are going to install our live preview from Microsoft. You have to search live preview, and then you will get live preview. Then you will have to install it or disable it. If you want, you can enable it, but for now we don't need to disable it. So now what you're going to do is click on this explorer icon. It's a file icon. You're going to click on it and click on this. So now you have enabled live preview. So first of all, we're going to write a simple code, like a simple text. So you're going to type this. You have to type these, and then we have to type heading. This is called heading. H1 is the highest heading, meaning the biggest heading. So now we are going to type h1 slash and do this. Oops. We are going to do this h1 and then do this. Now you can see we will type something inside these two. Now you're going to type something like, hi, this is a coding tutorial. And now when you click on this show preview icon, it will open up your browser, and then it will show you, hi, this is a coding tutorial. So let me explain you what's happening right over here. See, these inside these two these there is a heading. This is a heading. You can see when you do over here, the h1 element represents a setting, section heading. Now This creates a nice heading. H1 is the highest heading, meaning it's the biggest heading. So if you just type H2 over here and say this is H2, then and type H3 and then type this is H3. Now when you click on this show preview, this will show our output. You can see H2 is like this, H3 is like this. So this is like the basic thing. This is like print but in HTML, which is kind of easy. Well, it's super easy in HTML, but it's not that hard from Python. So if you think HTML is hard, then you have to think there are more harder languages than this. HTML is like Python. So now we want, a simple website, like a website with, simple text. So over here I'm going to type a blog, and if you want to type a paragraph, you have to type P for paragraph. See, now you're going to type this is a paragraph. Don't whoops, don't mind it. So this is a paragraph. Yep. So it is a paragraph. It thinks it's a paragraph because I have added this symbol over here. Now you just copy paste a long time and then you have to click format document, or you can just press shift alt F. That will also format the document. Now when you click show preview, you can see it shows the paragraph. So the paragraph isn't long enough, that is why it's like this. But if I just increase it, it will become like this. So this is how a paragraph is and a heading is. So that's it for this video, and I'll meet you in the other video. Bye, and make sure to like and subscribe.